Simplifying Web Development, a guide to building and hosting your Jekyll site on AWS. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In today's fast-paced digital world, simplicity is often overlooked in favor of complex, feature-rich solutions. However, there's immense power in choosing a straightforward approach, especially when building and hosting your website. Jekyll, a static site generator paired with AWS, offers a minimalist yet robust way to create and deploy your website. In this podcast, we'll walk you through the steps to embrace simplicity with Jekyll and AWS, from development to deployment. The power of simplicity. Motivation for transitioning to Jekyll. Jekyll is designed with simplicity, making it an ideal choice for developers and content creators who want to focus on creating content rather than managing complex infrastructure. As a static site generator, Jekyll allows you to build websites without a backend or database. This results in faster load times, enhanced security, and lower hosting costs. Transitioning to Jekyll means embracing a no-nonsense approach where your content takes center stage, free from the distractions of plugins and updates. Building with ease. Leveraging VS Code and Docker for Jekyll development. Thanks to tools like VS Code and Docker, getting started with Jekyll is easier than ever. These tools streamline the development process, making it accessible even to newcomers. Set up your development environment. Install VS Code, a lightweight code editor perfect for working on Jekyll projects. Use Docker to containerize your Jekyll environment. This ensures that your site runs consistently across different machines. Create your Jekyll site. In VS Code, open a terminal and run the following command to create a new Jekyll site. Docker run $pwd:/srv/jekyll p4000 to 4000 jekyll/jekyll new my Jekyll site. Navigate to the new directory and start the Jekyll server. cd my Jekyll site. Docker run $pwd:/srv/jekyll p4000 to 4000 jekyll/jekyll serve. Your site is now live at http://localhost:4000, and it is ready for you to start customizing. Hosting made effortless. Deploying your Jekyll site with AWS S3 and CloudFront. Once your Jekyll site is prepared, deploying it to AWS S3 and CloudFront is a breeze. This setup ensures that your site is fast, reliable, and cost-effective. Deploy to S3. Build your Jekyll site locally. Docker run $pwd:/srv/jekyll p4000 to 4000 jekyll/jekyll build. Sync the generated _site directory to your S3 bucket. AWS S3 sync _site/s3:/ your bucket name delete. Configure CloudFront. Set up a CloudFront distribution to serve your S3 content globally. Point the distribution's origin to your S3 bucket. Update your domain's DNS settings to route traffic through CloudFront. With this setup, your site is now hosted on AWS, benefiting from S3's storage capabilities and CloudFront's global content delivery network. Keeping your content fresh. A simple two-step process for updating your site. Updating your Jekyll site is incredibly straightforward. With just 2 steps, you can keep your content fresh and relevant. Make your edits. Open your Jekyll project in VS Code, make the necessary changes to your content or theme, and save them. Deploy the updates. Rebuild your site using Docker and sync the updated files to your S3 bucket. Docker run $pwd:/srv/jekyll p4000 to 4000 jekyll/jekyll build. AWS S3 sync _site/s3:/ your bucket name delete. Thanks to the efficient deployment process, your changes will be live within minutes. Conclusion. Navigating the static seas with Jekyll and AWS by embracing Jekyll and AWS. You're choosing a path prioritizing simplicity, efficiency, and performance. This streamlined approach allows you to focus on what truly matters, creating great content, while AWS handles the heavy lifting of hosting and delivering your site to a global audience. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a content creator looking to simplify your workflow, Jekyll and AWS offer the perfect solution for building and hosting your next project. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website and follow our social media links.